Hi guys, this is Richard from the Staples Center, and today I'll be covering ICP. Full disclosure, I do own ICP, but nothing I say in this video is financial advice. So after the Elon Musk-Donald Trump feud and the US getting involved in the Israel-Iran conflict, cryptocurrencies seem to be finally getting back on track. Now, I personally own more than enough of Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and Chainlink. So right now, I am only interested in accumulating and buying cryptocurrencies that I have very low confidence in, but have very high risk and high reward trade setups. And one of those cryptocurrencies is ICP. Now, if you don't want to listen to me ramble for the next 5 to 10 minutes, the trade setup is honestly quite simple. So long as ICP holds above the 2023 bear market low at $2.83, ICP will most likely rally to new bull market highs anywhere between $31 and $41. Are there higher price targets? Sure, but what's the point of talking about three-digit ICP price targets when ICP can't even get to two digits? So how did I arrive at these price targets? Well, first off, we can observe a clear five-wave impulse, white circle wave A, off the 2023 bear market low that topped out in early 2024, which was around a 600% pump to the upside. Afterwards, we formed a three-wave ABC correction in green that bottomed at the white one-to-one trend-based fib extension at $4.34. In Elliott wave theory, a common target for wave C of an ABC correction is the one-to-one trend-based fib extension. So let's measure the one-to-one trend-based fib extension of white circle wave C, which puts us at around $31. Now, I've seen some Elliott wave analysts who are labeling the ICP chart as a 1-2 setup. That is valid. The only problem I have with a 1-2 setup at the moment is how late we are in the cryptocurrency market cycle. I expect Bitcoin to top out between 173,000 and 225,000 in Q4 of this year. So if this market cycle is going to top out like the previous cryptocurrency market cycles, we only have a few more months for this bull market. In a 1-2 setup, we still need a wave 3, 4, and 5 to complete an impulse, which definitely will not be unfolding in just a few months. There's simply not enough time. Now, I've also seen some convoluted wave counts, which suggests that we can see an undershooting B wave, which would break below the 2023 bear market low. The reason I disagree with that wave count is because the move off the 2023 bear market low was clearly impulsive in 5 waves. In order for ICP to have an undershooting B wave, white circle wave A must be made up of 3 waves, which it is not. So that's why I'm sticking with the larger ABC correction for now. Now zooming into smaller time frames, honestly, just being objective, the move off the April low was clearly corrective in a series of 3-wave moves, 3-wave structures. So we never had an impulse off the April low. So I can't really say with a lot of confidence that ICP won't break the low, the $4.18 low we set back in April of this year. What I can tell you is that we had a very strong bounce today off the white one-to-one trend-based fib extension at $4.34, which is obviously a very critical level we discussed a few seconds ago. Also on top of that, on the 2-day time frame, we also formed a bullish hammer on the ICP chart. So both of these factors have me leaning more bullish than bearish at the moment. So let's close this video off with some Fibonacci rings. So as you can see on screen, every time ICP has crossed a Fibonacci ring, ICP has experienced a lot of volatility. Unfortunately for ICP holders, that volatility has almost always favored the bears. But as I just spoke about a few seconds ago, because we formed a 2-day bullish hammer off the white's 1-to-1 trend-based fib extension at $4.34, that gives me confidence in having a more bullish bias than bearish bias. Regardless, ICP has crossed a Fibonacci ring, so definitely get ready for some volatility over the next few trading sessions. Alright, that's all I got for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.